Welcome to Mueller Systems, here in Cleveland, North Carolina. We're proud to manufacture innovative water metering solutions right here in the U.S. And we're excited to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the people, processes, and technology that set Mueller Systems apart. Since 1988, our Cleveland facility has served as the beating heart of Mueller's metering operations. From here, we design, manufacture, and assemble the technology behind one of North America's oldest water meter organizations. It all starts with precision. Our injection molding department fabricates engineered components using durable materials designed for a variety of water applications. In the register assembly area, skilled team members build and calibrate the registers that make accurate consumption tracking possible, combining design innovation with craftsmanship. Electronics are the brain of every smart meter. Here, we rigorously test each component to ensure performance, connectivity, and compatibility in the field. In our large test area, we simulate real-world flow conditions to ensure each meter meets strict standards for accuracy and performance. Our assembly lines are where it all comes together. Operational excellence combined with hands-on expertise results in efficient, consistent products, from residential meters to advanced smart metering systems. Once assembled and tested, products are securely packaged and shipped across the country, getting our technology into the hands of utility partners fast. At Mueller Systems, we believe in doing things the right way, with integrity, innovation, and an unrelenting focus on quality. If you'd like to see it for yourself, we invite you to connect with us and experience firsthand the service and support that sets Mueller Systems apart. Mueller Systems, where intelligence meets infrastructure.